The human mind is a matter of wonder that intrigues intellectuals such as psychologists to strive and wonder how they function the way they do. A crucial yet instinctive pattern that individuals undertake day to day from a developing age is psychologically known as the cognitive process, where the mind selects a course of action over other possible alternatives. Such pattern is known to be decision making.
The dual process accounts of reasoning was proposed by Stanovic and West, but was made famous by Daniel Kahneman through his book Thinking Fast and Slow, suggesting the idea of having two types of systems in our mind. The model is divided into two major information processing. System 1 processes information in a fast, automatic, and unconscious mode. It is generated without much effort, subconsciously analyzing information based on similar past situations or pre-recorded schemas. This kind of reasoning is formed from habits and is quite immune to change. Meanwhile, System 2 is a slow, conscious, and effortful system, requiring much more reasoning and comparison for us to arrive at a conclusion. It can sometimes be associated with irrational thinking.
The distinction between System 1 and System 2 can be seen in the Muller-Lyer illusion. At first glance, the line above might appear shorter than the one underneath it. This is the work of System 1, providing an immediate response of shallow conclusion based on limited observation. When you look closer, System 2 will further analyze the given image, allowing us to truly see how all lines have the same length.
Wason Selection Task is a logic puzzle created by Peter Cathcart Wason back in 1966. It is a famous task utilized in several fields of psychology, such as dual process of thinking and decision making. You are shown a set of 4 cards placed on a table, each which has a number on one side and a colored patch on the other side. The visible faces of the cards are shown to be 3, 8, red, and brown. Which card or cards must you turn over in order to test the truth of the proposition?
Aim is to find out how the choices being taken will differ when extra conditions are applied. In this case, students are faced with extra or less enrollment fee. Condition 1 being, students are warned that a penalty fee will be given to those who enroll late to their classes. And condition 2 being, students are told that those who apply for early enrollment will receive a reward. Group A students would rather avoid having to pay extra for a late enrollment fee and join early, while the Group B students who are given a chance to get a reward for early enrollment decided not to take the chance. In the study Gactor et al., it does not specify the amount or gender of students, neither do they mention what major the students were in. They had low cross-cultural validity, and they had no debriefing. And the conclusions are
For System 1, it is attuned to encoding and processing statistical regularities, frequencies, and correlations in the surroundings. System 1 has representations that can be defined as associative and are instantly generalizable, which then enables for a faster inferential process. For System 2, it is more explicit, controllable, and does not typically perform in accordance to normative logical conventions. However, it can achieve solutions to logical problems as well as multiple problem types, such as hypothesis testing and consequential decision making. The Watson selection task has inspired multiple theories that define human reasoning, and some of these theories have suggested various types of reasoning, such as deductive reasoning and probabilistic or everyday reasoning. Since this experiment has been recreated multiple times, these different versions have given insight on the way people reason in real-life situations, such as the social contract theory and the probabilistic approach.
Created using Powtoon.